Bob at the XR Restoration Construction. We're finishing up a commercial job. We're downtown Oklahoma City at a hotel called the Biltmore. Anyway, we got the whole team and crew down here. You can kind of see we got some air movers out here. All you have to do is give Bob a call at area code 405-922-8891. We got focus fans. We got more DUs in the truck. Air movers. This one holds about 330 focus fans, about 60 DUs. You can see some of the DUs we had on the job here. Right there with us, 175 to 7,000. Anyway, we got in the building. We had two 40-yard dumpsters. Let's go through and take a look, see what it looks like after you get your dump and everything. We'll put some temporary wall up. We took the wall out. It's real soft. You see all the ceiling tiles we got in here, up through here. This is Mr. Chavez, co-owner of EXR. Here we believe working hard like the guys. We show people by example. We see I'm lazy doing a video. But anyway, you go through, you can see what we did. We did a 2-foot flood cut under the cherry rail all the way through, back through here, 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 here. If you look up, this had ceiling tiles insulation throughout the whole building here. This is all the content we pulled out of the back rooms. You can see, here's one of the buckets. We had a 175. This is about a day and a half left here of water. Now we help you with here, I'll help you. Can we dump this water back there?
Yeah, there's a drain back here. I just got one, so that's fine.
Yeah, you see if you want to open that back door.
Yeah, well, yeah, that's good.
Anyway, we had spider boxes over here. What made the job real easy is we had these 220 hookups here. We had them mounted up here. So electricity wasn't a problem. We had 50 amp twist locks all the way out to the turtles or slash spider box. There we had 4 of them here. That was 200 amps. That really helped this project. This is ballroom here. Anyway, we're going to get everything out of here so we can start the next process on the rebuild and cleaning and stuff like that. You can reach Bob at area code 405-922-8891. If you need to reach Christian Chavez, EXR Restoration Construction, area code 405-404-0095. Fire restoration, construction, water damage, crime scene cleanup. Anyway, we do equipment sales. We do equipment rentals. That's our Express Restoration Supply Company, a sister company of ours. But you can reach out to us. We're here in Oklahoma City. We do any type of deal. Give us a call. We'll come out and give you an estimate. Don't file any insurance claims unless you have a professional come out with thermal imaging and different types of devices to check the property and make sure everything's wet and it's good to file a claim because you'll have a mark on your insurance, 1, and 2, that you need to have substantial damage in your property or your business before you file a claim, in my opinion, my professional opinion. I've been doing this 20 years. But Mr. Chavez or I can come out and we can come out and give you a bid, and we work with your insurance every day. That's mostly what we focus on, the insurance with people filing large claims and stuff like that. But we're going to finish doing a walkthrough, kind of review everything. We'll start over here. There was carpet pad, it was extracted, it was scraped out. We had a kitchen area back here. We had a sill that got dropped here. Right here is that sheet rock. We brought it down. I know you really can't see. This is a way to get rid of water to drain right there from the buckets from the DUs. And basically they have their content and their linens and stuff back to the corner, their chairs. More ceiling tiles. This right here is a major project that took a while, but here at EXR and Express we're willing and happy to take on any type of challenge like that. But anyway, let's walk around this way, take a look. Look at all cement blocks and concrete. This drive isn't very long. No sir, that's theirs. But anyway, you can see the content stuff that was on the back rooms. We moved it all out. go through here and go outside. Trash can. You can look down here where we did all flood cuts and took everything out. We did this when we got here. It was real saturated, damaged. So when you do this, it's kind of like a FEMA job. It's a little easier to dry. We microbial and microband everything. I think we applied 2 applications in the process. So you go through, you can see how the walls and everything were all cut out. And back here, we had 2 40-yard dumpsters right here. We filled them up to the brim. We'll be getting them pulled off. Then we'll go into the next phase of the job. And we'll come over and take a look at equipment. Then I'll get out of your hair for the day. Roman. He's stacking the D's up. We can go 5 each row, 3 high, and there's approximately 30 fans that we can put up there per row. It's a 26-foot Hino truck. It's a nice unit to have. When large losses like that, we'll get it out. You can reach Bob at area code 405-922-8891. Christian Chavez, area code 405-444-0095. Give us a call, commercial, residential. We're here for the customer. We're an independent small company based out of Oklahoma City. We can do good things for our customers. And just give us a holler and give us an opportunity to serve you and take care of the customer. That's our goal and mission here at EXR. And Express Restoration Supply is the one supplying all the rental here, our rental company. And like I said, we do rentals, and we do construction, and we do water mitigation. We have an umbrella, and we have 4 different companies under us. But anyway, thank you very much, and everybody have a great day, and appreciate you watching.